I've been seeing subscribe buttons, animated subscribe buttons like this on YouTube videos, and you wonder how it is being done. Stick around, because in this video I'm going to show you exactly how to download and then import your subscribe animated button into your YouTube videos so that you get more subscribers. Now first, you go to YouTube, search for YouTube subscribe button, or you can search for YouTube subscribe animation button screen. Make sure you put the green screen and search. Is YouTube subscribe button green screen. Okay, you can see you have a lot of them. You see green screens, then anyone you like, just tap on that three dots, yes, and then tap on share, like you are sharing that video. Because if you download that video, you're going to download it on YouTube and it will not enter your file. You copy the link and close YouTube, go to your file downloader, go to anywhere you download your videos. You can go to, but if you don't know how to download YouTube videos to your phone, you go to Chrome, go to any browser, and then search for YouTube downloader. Search for it on Google and then tap on the first website you will see there. That website should be savefrom.ng. Sorry, savefrom.net. Savefrom.net. Or you can check all of these. All these websites are for YouTube downloader. Then you paste your video link here. You can tap on that space and then you see paste, or you just tap on it and then you see your link and you tap and paste your link. You tap on that arrow. Yes, tap on the arrow. Can you see? You can now download MP4. Then wait, it will open another website, that is adverts. You go back, then it's not opening. You tap again, tap on download again, and then you have to wait for it to load. Maybe open an advert. This is an advert. You go back, it will open. Then you say download again. You tap on download. It will take you to converter, and then from there you see that your video is downloading. When you tap on details, you check and see the video YouTube subscribe and like button is downloading. Now it has finished downloading. If you want to play it, just open. Alright, that is nice. Then head over to your CapCut. Go to where you want to apply this video. Okay, now we want to apply here. So I have to adjust the video to meet where I say subscribe. So this video we are partnering with a Growth Mover. Growth Mover is a brand and we are in collaboration with the Growth Mover. I am the editing director and the chief editing officer. I don't know how to put it, but I edit videos for them. Alright, so now this is one of the videos. You import your
moving. Subscribe to Growth Mover. We don't wait for feelings here. Amateurs wait until they
go to remove BG, then you see chroma key. That chroma key, then drag to where you see green, then you increase your intensity. You play around, you increase your shadow. This shadow does not have any effects like this. It's only intensity. If you increase it, you reduce, that is 0, you still maintain the green. But when you increase the intensity to 100, the green will
Subscribe to Growth
disappear.
Mover.
You'll see that.
Stop waiting for a feeling. Start moving. Subscribe to Growth Mover.
This subscribe button has covered the growth mover, so we need to reduce the size of it and then drag it down. All right.
Start moving. Subscribe to Growth Mover. We don't wait for feelings here. Amateurs wait until they feel inspired to work.
You have finally watched till the end. Then hit that like button and subscribe and turn on notification. Thank you.